Guys, we got a 2017 Chevy Express. It's 15 passenger, deep tinted glass in the back. I'll pop open this here. Seating for 15, carpet, cloth all the way back, air, heat in the back, double doors obviously. In the back you got the cargo doors. Doors do vent back here. Obviously you can take this back seat out, this last seat right here, to get more storage or bring the whole team. So nice truck. Power windows, power locks. Tires are like new on them. Like I said, it's only 27,000 miles. Part of the Poage promise, you'll get 2 sets of keys, full tank of gas, and most of all, the best value guarantee. So come and see us, Poage Chevrolet.